Are you tired of wrestling with a traditional jack that could double as a workout machine? Welcome to the electrifying world of electric car jacks. These mechanical marvels promise to take the sweat and strain out of lifting your car, allowing you to spend more time cruising and less time grunting. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who dreads the thought of a flat tire, we've got the inside scoop on the best electric car jacks that will elevate your roadside game. Literally. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Standtall 3-ton 12-volt Scissor Lift, our pick for best budget electric car jack. If you find yourself wrestling with your car's jack like it's a stubborn gremlin, then the Standtall 3-ton 12-volt Scissor Lift is about to become your new best friend. With a robust load capacity of 3 tons and the ability to lift your ride up to a lofty 16.53 inches in just 60 seconds, you'll feel like a pit crew superstar without breaking a sweat. Crafted from alloy steel and featuring a triangular base for stability, this jack isn't just tough. It's built to withstand the rigors of your garage WrestleMania. Think of it as your reliable sidekick, always ready to boost you up while keeping things steady. No unexpected slips or drops. The self-locking design and built-in circuit breakers are like having a safety net, ensuring you won't turn a simple tire change into a heart-stopping thriller. And let's talk convenience. With a remote control in hand, you can raise your car at the push of a button, leaving those old, sweaty manual jacks in the dust. It's time to bid farewell to lifting-induced backaches and embrace the modern age of effortless car maintenance. Plus, with bright LED lights and a waterproof design, tire changes become a breeze even when it's dark and drizzly outside. So, when life throws you a flat, you'll be armed with the Standtall Scissor Jack, your ultimate tool for tackling tire troubles with flair. Number 4. Vevor 5-ton hydraulic jack, our pick for best industrial-grade electric car jack. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with a manual jack while your tire is flat and your patience is wearing thinner than the rubber on your treads, then say hello to your new best friend, the Vevor 5-ton hydraulic jack. This trusty sidekick boasts a robust lifting capacity of 5 tons. Yep, that's about 11,023 pounds. Perfect for your sports utility vehicle, truck, or even your car that you've lovingly dubbed the family hauler. No need to break a sweat anymore. This electric jack zips to a maximum height of 17.7 inches in just about 2 minutes. That's right, in the time it takes to brew your morning coffee, you could be lifting your vehicle with the ease of a superhero. Safety first. Once it reaches its peak, it automatically stops, making it as safe as house. And let's not forget the high-efficiency impact wrench. With a torque of 450 Nm, your lug nuts will fear you like they owe you money. Plus, with built-in tire inflation and a pressure display, you'll be the tire-saving hero of roadside emergencies, armed and ready with all the tools neatly tucked away and easy to access. So why struggle when you can smoothly glide through your roadside drama? With the Vevor hydraulic jack, you'll not only save time, but also earn some serious bragging rights. Still searching for the perfect electric car jack? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. E-Heelp 3-ton electric scissor jack, our pick for best lightweight electric car jack. If you've ever found yourself in the unfortunate situation of a flat tire, panic can set in faster than you can reach for your phone. But fear not. Meet the E-Heelp 3-ton electric scissor jack, your trusty sidekick in the battle against roadside mishaps. With a jaw-dropping load capacity of 3 tons and a maximum lift height of 16.54 inches, this scissor jack isn't just strong. It's essentially the superhero of car maintenance. Why break a sweat cranking a manual jack when you could be sipping coffee while this electric wonder does all the heavy lifting in just about 2 minutes? That's right, No more wrestling with stubborn bolts or feeling the burn in your biceps. And with a high-efficiency impact wrench cranking out a whopping 450 Newton-meter of torque, your tires will be on and off faster than you can say tire change. Powering this beauty is a breeze. Plug it into your car battery or the 12-volt cigarette lighter and let the 11.5 feet of power cord work its magic. Plus, it comes with a multi-function carrying case that neatly organizes everything, including spare fuses and even gloves, so you can keep your digits clean while getting to the task at hand. With the E-Heelp electric scissor jack by your side, tackling that flat tire will feel less like a chore and more like a small, empowering adventure. Get ready to roll and leave the worries behind. Number 2. Rogtz 5-ton hydraulic car jack kit, our pick for best heavy-duty electric car jack. If you're tired of heaving and hoisting your car with a manual jack that seems to want to give you a workout instead of helping, let me introduce you to the Rogtz 5-ton hydraulic car jack kit, the superhero of heavy-duty tools. This electric car jack can lift a whopping 5 tons in just 60 seconds, reaching a maximum height of 17.7 inches. That's right. No more straining your back or losing precious time. The Rogtz takes the grunt work out of the equation. But wait, there's more. Your car jack buddy comes with a nifty impact wrench, designed for those moments when you need to swap tires faster than you can say, flat tire. Its low-noise motor ensures you won't wake the neighbors while you tackle that tire change, and the built-in air pump inflates your tires in a mere 2 minutes. Yes, you heard correctly. Who needs a trip to the gas station when you can do it all yourself? Safety? You bet. This electric jack's hydraulic system stops at max height to prevent that oops moment, while its self-locking design keeps everything secure. And with a toolbox bursting with goodies, sockets, gloves, you name it, this kit is your one-stop solution for tire emergencies. So, gear up and say goodbye to car troubles. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. E-Heelp 5-ton car jack kit, our pick for best electric car jack overall. If you've ever found yourself stuck with a flat tire and a manual jack that seems more like a medieval torture device than a helpful tool, the E-Heelp 5-ton car jack kit is your modern knight in shining armor. This electric car jack is like having a personal pit crew. It lifts vehicles up to 5 tons in less than 2 minutes. That's right, no more sweating bullets as you crank and struggle. With a snappy lifting range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches, it's ready to tackle everything from sedans to sports utility vehicles. But wait, there's more! This nifty contraption isn't just about lifting. It's got your back when it comes to tire inflation too. With a built-in tire pumping inflator and pressure display, you'll be the tire guru of your neighborhood. Ditch the guesswork. Know exactly when your tires are pumped up to perfection. And let's not forget the portable impact wrench that comes with it. You'll be unscrewing bolts faster than you can say, "Why did I wait so long to get this?" Whether you're in your home garage or stranded in a rainstorm, the waterproof connectors and handy LED lights ensure you're always in the spotlight, even when things get murky. So say goodbye to the struggle and hello to effortless tire changes. With the E-Heelp car jack, you're not just a driver, you're a tire-changing superhero. Woo, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric car jacks. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric car jack you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.